Imagine if becoming the best version of yourself wasn't about massive goals, crazy motivation, or overnight transformations, but tiny habits so small they almost feel invisible. Most people think success comes from huge action. But the truth is, your life is shaped by the habits you repeat every single day. And if you master tiny habits, you master your entire future. Today, we are breaking down 10 powerful lessons from atomic habits that can help you transform your life, one small step at a time. Everything you do is a vote for the type of person you want to become. That's the real secret. Not perfection, not motivation, identity. If you want to be a healthy person, your small actions must match that identity. Choosing water instead of soda, walking for 5 minutes, doing a quick stretch. Tiny wins that compound quietly in the background. Think of a 1% improvement every day. After a year, that's not 365% better. It's 37 times better. That's the power of compounding. One of the biggest lessons is this. Habits are not goals. Habits are systems. A goal is lose 10 kilos. But the system is I work out 3 times a week. Goals create direction, but systems create progress. Systems are what carry you on the days you don't feel motivated. If your system is strong, success becomes automatic. Imagine trying to win a game with no plays, no strategy. That's goals without systems. Another powerful idea is that small changes are often unnoticeable at first. You can go to the gym for a week and see nothing. You can read 5 pages a day and feel no difference. You can save $5 a day and your bank balance still looks the same. But habits work like ice melting. Nothing happens at 0 degrees. Then suddenly at 1 degree, everything changes. Your results lag behind your efforts. And then they explode. Most people quit at 0 degrees. The ones who succeed keep going until the breakthrough. Your environment is another invisible force shaping your life. You don't push against bad habits. You outsmart them. If you want to read more, leave a book on your pillow. If you want to eat healthy, don't bring junk food into the house. If you want to work out in the morning, sleep in your gym clothes. Make the good habits easy and the bad habits hard. Your surroundings should act like a silent coach. For example, if your phone distracts you, leave it in another room. Don't rely on willpower. Rely on designing smarter environments. One of the most life-changing lessons is habit stacking. This is when you attach a new habit to something you already do. For example, after I brush my teeth, I meditate for 1 minute. After I finish dinner, I write 1 sentence in my journal. After I shower, I plan my day. Your brain loves routines. By stacking habits, you make new behavior automatic because it becomes linked to something you already do every day. Another key lesson is the power of immediate rewards. Humans follow what feels good now, not what feels good later. Eating junk food feels good now. Skipping the gym feels good now. But you can flip this. Want to build a good habit? Make it satisfying. For example, use a habit tracker. Every time you finish a habit, put an X on the calendar. That small hit of satisfaction keeps you coming back. Momentum builds when your brain sees visual progress. But equally important is understanding that bad habits come from the same process, immediate reward. Scrolling social media feels good instantly. That's why it's addictive. The trick is to make bad habits unsatisfying. You can do this by giving them consequences. For example, every time you skip a workout, you transfer $10 to a friend. Or you create a rule, no junk food at home. You're not fighting the habit. You're removing the temptation altogether. Another powerful lesson is, never miss twice. You're human. You will miss a day. You will skip a workout. You will break the streak. That's normal. The problem isn't missing once. The problem is letting 1 missed day turn into 2, then a week, then a month. Champions don't aim for perfection. They aim for consistency. If you miss 1 day, bounce back the next. The faster you return, the stronger your identity becomes. Let's talk about the 2-minute rule. If a habit takes less than 2 minutes, do it. Most good habits can be simplified into a 2-minute version. The goal is not to do the perfect workout. The goal is to show up. Want to read more? Read 1 page. Want to journal? Write 1 sentence. Want to study? Open the notebook. Master the art of starting. Once you start, it's easier to continue. A tiny start beats no start every single time. And finally, one of the deepest lessons. Success is not about being extraordinary. It's about being consistent. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. If your systems are strong, you don't have to force results. They come to you. Small habits compound, identity shifts, your mind changes, and suddenly you're living a life you once thought was impossible. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up, improve 1%, and let time do the heavy lifting. If you're still watching, remember this. Nothing changes until you change something you do daily. You have the power to rebuild your identity, shape your future, and become someone you are proud of, starting with one tiny habit today. Your future self is waiting. Before you go, if you found this valuable, make sure to subscribe and watch the other videos on my channel, especially my playlist on building unstoppable habits, mindset, and discipline. And if you want more breakdowns of books like this, let me know in the comments which one I should do next. Your support helps this channel grow, and we're just getting started. Your new life begins with one small habit. Start today, and let the compounding begin.